Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to add frequency for corridor or alignment. So we have a corridor in this drawing, and we can see the section on corridor, and now how to add section at symbol line in corridor. And Civil today we have accession function, so it's only uh, by one session, and I have created a tune for VT tune. We have to we can to create a multi frequency assembly, and I click as frequency assembly, and we click select corridor on the corridor on this drawing, and I click enter, and so we can see this automatically accession at the symbol line. This also here, right here.